This year basically marks a very historic moment for us because for the first time in these 32 years, we are hosting this seminar in English language along with Urdu as well. I express my gratitude to Sahibzada Kashif Mahmood Sahab for this decision to host in English language as well. I think a big round of applause for making this decision. I also appreciate Khwaja Osama Zishan and Kashif Sahab for entrusting me with this opportunity to host this seminar in English language. So the decision to present this seminar in English language, basically there are three reasons. First, we aim to introduce the teachings of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh to the global audience and to connect with the tech-savvy youth of Pakistan and beyond, particularly Gen Z, ensuring they comprehend the essence of the teachings of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh. Second reason for conducting this seminar in English language is to pay him a tribute, honoring Wasif Ali Wasif Sahab expertise in English language. Because he demonstrated through his contributions as an English teacher and as an English author as well. So the third reason to present this seminar in English language is something very close to my heart. Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh himself mentioned that the only thing you and I can do for him is to further his messages, to further his wisdoms and teachings, to spread his message to more people. I think it's time to do it by translating more of his work in English language. Through profound insights into English, enabling international audiences to benefit from his teachings and insights. So speaking of these three reasons to host this seminar in English language, it's also noteworthy to see that the non-Muslims are also taking interest in the teachings of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh. A pastor in Sydney from Australia maintains regular communication with Sahibzada Kashif Sahab and expresses admiration for Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif. So this, I believe, underscores the universal resonance of the teachings of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif. So we are all working hard, very hard, to translate all of his books and lectures in English language. It's not an easy task, I know. That is why we welcome you all, anyone who would like to join our team to help in the process of this translation. So ladies and gentlemen, each one of us sitting here today have benefited from Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif in one way or the other. And that is the reason I believe we are all here. Remembering him every year on these seminars and weekly mahafils. Before I was properly introduced to Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif, I thought of him only as an author or just a teacher. However, in 2015, I heard a lecture by Qasim Ali Shah in which he mentioned a story about Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif. A person visiting Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif accidentally knocked over a bookshelf in his room, causing the book to fall open on the floor. Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh then astonishingly remarked that the solution to the visitor's inquiry lay in the page of the book that fell down on the floor. So this story, I was very surprised and shocked to hear this story because I thought of him as an author or as a teacher. But when I heard this story, I thought to myself, how could he possibly know that the answer of the question the person of the visiting him is in the book that fell down on the floor? It was then I realized he's not just an author or a teacher, he's much, much more than this. So this led me to read more of his books and to read his lectures on YouTube. And then I personally found him to be the saint of our times. particularly his remarkable ability to distill complex concepts of our beloved religion, Islam. I'm sure each one of us has a somewhat similar introduction of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah alayh. We thought of him as just a teacher or just an author, but with the passage of time, we happened to learn he was much, much more than just a teacher and an author. Malik Muhammad Wasif, known as Wasif Ali Wasif, born on January 15, 1929, in Shab, Punjab, was a distinguished Pakistani teacher, writer, poet, Sufi figure. His educational journey including matriculating from Government High School Shab and graduating from Government Degree College Jung. He furthered his studies in Lahore, obtaining MSc in Mathematics from Government College Islamia Civil Lines and MA in English from Government College. While excelling as a hockey player during his student years, he contributed to the college magazine in English and Urdu. In 1958, after briefly teaching in private institutions, he founded Lahore College for English. Wasif Ali Wasif authored around 40 books, gaining acclaim for his poetry, short prose, essays, and often derived from his columns in Urdu newspapers. The core of his teaching centers on the profound love for God and the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He has skillfully unraveled the intricate concepts of Islam, making them accessible for all of us. His interpretation of the religion are deeply attuned to the challenges of the current era that we are facing. And in addition to that, he imparts meaningful insights and offers solace for those grappling with the issues of depression and anxiety. So here are some of my favorite quotes of Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif from his book, The Beaming Soul. If you are looking for evil, look within. If you are looking for good, look without. Some are dead in life, some alive in dead. We can become a great nation if we forgive others and seek forgiveness of others. Don't complain about people to God, and don't complain about God to people. Doing this will attain inner peace. The eyes of the unaware person only open when the death is about to close them forever. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite my co-host, Mir Jangir Saab, who is going to host this seminar in Urdu language and invite our very first speaker. Thank you so much.